Hello, everyone, and welcome to Champion English.
Yay!
Hello.
Hello.
We're back.
We're back.
Boom.
Boom.
Okay, here we go, students, with the O sounds. Come on, O.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
O.
Oh.
So.
So.
All right, so here we go. Long O sounds.
Long O sounds.
Boat.
Boat.
Coat.
Coat.
Where's my coat?
Where is my coat?
Goat.
Goat.
Float.
Float.
Joke.
Joke.
Coke.
Coke.
Soak.
Soak.
Woke.
Woke.
Here we go. Let's sound it out. Are you ready?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes, I am.
B and oat.
Boat.
Boat. C and oat.
Coat.
Cold. Good. This will sound it a little bit longer. Good and oat.
Goat.
That's it. Fl and oat.
Float.
J and oak.
Joke.
K and oak.
Coke.
S and oak.
Soak.
And wood and oak.
Walk.
Excellent pronunciation. Let's go. Boat.
Boat.
Coat.
Coat.
Goat.
Goat.
Float.
Float.
Joke.
Joke.
Joking.
Joking.
Just joking.
Just joking.
Coke.
Coke.
Soak.
Soak.
And woke.
Woke.
All right. He's got it, everyone. Give him a hand.